Learn how to lattice a pie crust. Start with a rolled out bottom and top pie crust. Gently add in the bottom pie crust and form it into your pie pan. Add in the filling and spread it out evenly. Cut the top pie crust into 1-inch strips and lay them over the pie filling, spacing them 1 inch apart, using longer strips for the middle and shorter strips for the edges. Pull back every other strip of pie crust and then lay an additional strip of pie crust perpendicular. Then pull back every other strip opposite of what you just did and lay another strip 1 inch apart horizontal to the strip you just laid. Continue doing this until the pie is completely covered. You may need to go back and add a strip if you have extra pie dough or if you have more pie to cover. Trim off excess pie crust using a paring knife so it's even with the edge of the pie pan. Pinch and fold over the crust into the middle of the pie pan to seal the top and bottom crust together. Using your pointer finger of one hand and your thumb and pointer of the other hand, flute the pie crust. Brush on your pie wash with a pastry brush. This can be eggs, cream, or a mixture of honey and water. Then I like to top the pie with turbinado sugar for a sparkly pie with a subtle crunch. Bake at 350 degrees for about an hour and then turn the heat up to 400 for the last few minutes to ensure a golden brown pie crust. And for more baking tutorials like this, be sure to hit that subscribe button and join me next time in the kitchen.